Good morning, students. Students, today we will read about sequence and series, class 11, NCERT book. So, if someone will ask you what is the definition of sequence, the sequence is a function whose domain is a set of all natural numbers. Uh, as you know, what is natural number? Natural number, which is a counting number. Like it will start from 1, 2, 3, and so on, infinitive. If you will add 0 with natural number, then it will be whole number. So now we will go with the example. What is this sequence? If we will write 1, 2, 3, and so on, an. An means nth term. So here, how many terms? Here, n terms. Now, if we will write like this, 2, 4, 6, and so on, an, then you can see that if you will multiply with 2, then it will become this 2n. In the same way, if we will write like this 3, 6, 9, and so on, an, it will be 3n. Mm. So now we will go on exercise. We will start exercise 9.1. And boys, I have seen that some of the teachers are doing, they are giving so much theory at one time, and then they are going to start the exercise. Then what is happening? The students become bored to read only theory. So what I will do, I will solve some questions, and whatever theory is required, I will give the theory, and then I will move forward. Let's start exercise 9.1. Here it is, write the first 5 terms of each of the sequence in exercises 1 to 6 whose nth terms are. So I am writing the first question. An equals to n into n plus 2. We have to find out nth terms, means general term. Uh, if I will put 1 on the place of n, then what it would be? A1 equals to 1 into 1 plus 2. How much it would be? 2 plus 1, 3. It will be 3. In the same way, A2 equals to 2 into 2 plus 2. 2, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 to the 8. A3 equals to 3 into 3 plus 2. 3 to 5, 15. And A4 equals to 4 into 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 4 is 24. And A5 equals to 5 into 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 5 is 35. So we have to find out 5 terms. We have got 5 terms. This is our answer. Our 5 terms is 3, 8, 15, 24, and 35. Now we will move on second question. Second question is an equals to n by n plus 1. This marker is not working good. Again, we will place 1 in the place of n. A1 equals to 1 by 1 plus 1 means 1 by 2. A2 equals to 2 by 2 plus 1 means 2 over 3. A3 equals to 3 by 3 plus 1 means 3 by 4. A4 equals to 4 by 4 plus 1, 4 over 5. And A5 equals to 5 by 5 plus 1, 5 over 6. So we have got first 5 terms. Now question number 3. I will solve this question here. In question number 3, we have an equals to 2 raised to the power n. An equals to 2 raised to the power n. So here a1 equals to 2 raised to the power 1 means 2. A2 equals to means 4. A3 2 cube is 8. A4 equals to 2 raised to the power 4 is 16. And A5 equals to 2 raised to the power 5 is 32. So these are the answers. In this way we will find it out. Now we will move towards question number 4. Question number 4 is an equals to 2n minus 3 over 6. 2n minus 3 over 6. A1 equals to 2 minus 3 over 6 means minus 1 over 6. A2 equals to 4 minus 3 over 6 means 1 over 6. A3 equals to 2 3 is 6. 6 minus 3 over 6 means 3 by 6. It is 1 by 2. A4 equals to 2 4 is 8. 8 minus 3 over 6. 5 by 6. And A5 equals to 2 5 is 10 minus 3 over 6 means 7 over 6. Now question number 5. An equals to minus 1 raised to the power n minus 1, 5 raised to the power n plus 1. Now we will find out first a1. A1 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 1 minus 1, 0, 5, 1 plus 1, 2. So boys, any number raised to the power 0 equals to 1. And this is the formula. I will write it in the red marker. any number, an means any number raised to the power 0 equals to 1. Either this number will be 100, 1000, 1, 2, 3, any number. So A1 equals to 5 5 is 25. In the same way, A2 equals to minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 5 raised to the power 2 plus 1, 3. So minus 125. A3 equals to minus 1 raised to the power 3 minus 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 5 raised to the power 4. Boys, if minus 1 raised to the power any odd number, then it will be negative number. However, if minus 1 raised to the power even number, it will be positive number. This time we are getting positive number. 5 raised to the power 4 is equal to 625. Now A4 equals to minus 1 raised to the power 4 minus 1, 3, 5 raised to the power 4 plus 1, 5. As I told you earlier that minus 1 raised to the power odd number will be negative number. So it will be minus 625 into 5. It will be 3125. Now A5 equals to minus 1 is coming on the camera. Okay, good. Now A5 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 5 minus 1, 4, 5 raised to the power 5 plus 1, 6. Now this time the power is even number, so it will be positive number. And 5 raised to the power 6 will be 5 5 is 25, 5 5 is 25, remaining 2, 2, 1, 5, 6, 5 3 is 15. So this number will come. So we have got 5 terms. Now we will move forward. We will take question number 6. Question number 6. An equals to n multiplied by n square plus 5 over 4. N square plus 5 over 4. We will find out A1. A1 is equal to, this is 1. So 1 multiplied by anything will be 1. So no need to write. 1 square 1 plus 5 over 4. It will be 6 over 4. So it will be 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. A2 equals to 2 multiplied by 2 to the 4 plus 5 by 4. 2 to the 4, 5 4, 9, 9 over 2. A3 equals to 3 multiplied 3 3 is 9 plus 5 over 4, 9, 5, 14, 14 3 are 42. 42 over 4, so it will be 21. 21 over 2. Now A4 equals to 4 multiplied by 4 4 is 60, 60 plus 5 over 4. So if this 4, this 4, this 4, it will be 21. A5 will be 5 multiplied by 5 5 is 25, 25 plus 5 over 4. So it will be 5 into 30 over 4, 15, 2 is 4, 15 by 75, 75 over 2. So we have got 5 terms. Now we will move on. Question number 7. Find the indicated terms in each of the sequences in exercises 7 to 10 whose nth terms are this. Okay, we are doing the same here also. Question number 7. N is equal to 4n minus 3. 4n minus 3, and we have to find out here A17 and A24. First of all, we will find A17. We will put in the place of n as 17. So 14 7 ja. So 4 multiplied by 17 minus 3. 17 4 ja 68. 68 minus 3 equals to 65. And now we have to find out A24. Now we will put 24 in the place of n. 4 multiplied by 24 minus 3. I don't remember 24 table, but I remember the table of 25. So if 25 4 ja 100, then 24 4 ja, it should be 96. 96 minus 3. It will be 93. Now we will move forward. Question number 8. An equals to n square over 2 raised to the power n. N square over 2 raised to the power n. And we have to find out A7. A7 equals to 7 square and 2 raised to the power 7. 7 7 ja 49 and 2 2 ja 4, 4, 6, 8, 16, 32 and 64. It will be 64. Can we reduce this term? No. So this is the answer. Sorry, it's 64. 62 2 raised to the power 6 is 64. Now it will be 128. Now we will move on. Question number 9. Question number 9. An equals to minus 1 raised to the power n minus 1 raised to the power. Here is some misprinting mistake, very dim over here. Minus 1 raised to the power n minus 1 into n cube and we have to find out a9. Therefore, a9 equals to minus 1 raised to the power 9 minus 1 means 8 and 9 cube. As I told you earlier, if minus 1 raised to the power any even number, then we will get positive number. So here we will get positive number and 9 9 ja 81, 81 9 ja 9 1 ja 9 and 8 ja 72. So the answer is 729. Now we will solve question number 10. Page 10. Question number 10. Now question number 10 is an equals to question number 10 has not been written. I will check in the book. Yes, question number 10. Yeah. An is equal to n multiplied by n minus 2 by n plus 3 and we have to find a20. So now we will find it out. A20 equals to 20 multiplied by 20 minus 2 means 18 by 20 plus 3, 23. Now we will multiply this one. 18 0 0 18 2 ja 360 divided by 23. So 23 is a prime number. So this is the answer. Now we will move on. Question number 11. Write the first 5 terms of each of the sequences in exercise 11 to 13 and obtain the corresponding series. Here we will find out series. Earlier we have read about sequence, but now we have got series. In sequence and series there is a very little bit difference. Like this is a sequence is this 1, 2, 3, and so on. And it's a sequence. And series is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on n. So this is series. So we will know about sequence and series. Now I will write the question number 11. A1 equals to 3 and an equals to 3an minus 1. 3an minus 1 plus 2 for all n is greater than 1. Look, what is the difference between an and an minus 1? An is the nth term and an minus 1 is n minus 1th term. Means agar nth, if nth term is 23, then n minus 1th term is 22. Now, here it has been given a1 equals to 3. So we have to find a2, a3, a4 and a5. A2, what it be? It would be A2. A2 is equal to 3a, 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 2. Now a1 has been given, a1 is 3, so 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 2 equals to 11. In the same way, a3 equals to 3a and 3 minus 1 2 plus 2, and a2 has been, we have find out a2 is 11, 11 3 is 33, 33 plus 2 is equal to 35. A4 equals to 3a, 4 minus 1 3 plus 2. Value of a3 is 35, 35 plus 2. 35 3 is 105. 105 plus 2 107. Now a5 equals to 3a, 5 minus 1 4 plus 2, and we have a4 is equal to 107 plus 2. 3 7 is 21, 1 minus 2 is 2, 303. So it's 321, 323. Now we have got A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. I will match the answer also so that there is no confusion. 9.1. Yeah, it's 3, 11. A1 is equal to 3, 3, 11, 35, 107 and 323. So first 5 terms is equal to 3, 11, 35, 107 and 323. And series and then we will write the series in with a summation 3 plus 11 plus 35 plus 107 plus 323. Now we will move on. Now it has been written for all n is greater than 1. So it will be going on here. Okay. Now we will move on. Question number 12. In question number 12, a1 equals to minus 1 and an equals to an minus 1 over n. An minus 1 over n, where n is greater than or equal to 2. N is greater than or equal to 2. So we have to write first 5 terms. We will find out first a2. a2 is equal to a2 minus 1 by n by 2. We will write 2 in the place of n. So it will be a1 by 2, and we have a value of a1. The value of a1 is minus 1. It will become minus 1 over 2. Then a3 equals to a3 minus 1 means it will be a2 and here 3. The value of a2 is minus 1 over 2. Minus 1 over 2 and this 3. This 3 will come here. It will be minus 1 over 6. a3 is equal to minus 1 over 6. Now we will find out a4. a4 is equal to a4 minus 1 means a3 over 4. Value of a3 is equal to minus 1 over 6 into 4. It will be minus 1 over 24. Now a5 equals to a5 minus 1 means a4 over 5. The value of a4 is minus 1 over 24 multiplied by 5. Here boys, I have a shortcut method of multiplication of 24. We all know 24 multiplied by 10 is 240. So if here is 5, we will half of this one. We will write half of this one. So it will be 120. We have got five terms. So the first 5 terms are minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 6 minus 1 over 24 minus 1 over 120, and series minus 1 plus minus 1 over 2 plus minus 1 over 6 plus minus 1 over 24 plus minus 1 over 120. Now we will move on. Question number 30. A1 is equal to A2 equals to 2. An equals to An minus 1. An minus 1. Here minus 1. So we have to find out, and n is greater than 2. It has been given. N is greater than 2. We will consider n is greater than 2. Therefore, A3 equals to, we will write here the value, in the place of n we will write 3. A3 minus 1 means A2 minus 1, and we have a value of A2 is 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. In the same way, A4. Look, we have two terms given, A1 and A2 given. We have find out A3. So we have got, right now we have got 3 terms. So we have to find out 2 more terms. A4 equals to A4 minus 1, and A3 minus 1. The value of A3 is 1. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. A5 equals to A4 minus 1. Value of A4 is 0 minus 1. It means the value of A5 is minus 1. So first 5 terms are, first 5 terms are 2, again 2, then 1, then 0, and then minus 1. Series 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus minus 1, and plus so on. Now the last question. Question number 40. I will write here. The Fibonacci sequence is defined by 1 equals to A1 is equal to A2, and An is equal to An minus 1 plus An minus 2. Look, what is this Fibonacci sequence? In a Fibonacci sequence, the third term will be the sum of first and second term. Like, if first term is 1, second term is 3, then third term will be 3 plus 1, 4, fourth term will be this 4 plus 3, 7. Fifth term will be this 7 plus 4, 11. Sixth term will be 11 plus 7, 18. In this way, it will be going on. One second, better. So now, we write the question of question number 14. Defined by 1 is equal to a1 equals to a2. Means a1 and a2 both has a value of 1. So what it would be? It would be a3. A3 will be a1 plus a2. Then it would be a3 would be 2. And an equals to an minus 1 plus an minus 2. Where n is greater than 2. If n is greater than 2, so we will find out for n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has been given. We have to find an plus 1 over an. An plus 1 over an. For n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has been given. So for n is equal to 1, a1 plus 1 a2 by a1. a2 has been given 1 and a1 has also been given 1. So this will be 1. N is equal to 2. Then a2 plus 1 a3 over a2. What will be a3? We can find out a3 from here. a3 is equal to a2 plus a1. 3 minus 2, 1. a1 divided by a2. a2 has been given. a2 has been given. It's 1. And a2 plus a1 is a2 plus a1. Both the value of this variable is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 by 1. It will be 2. And when n is equal to 3, when n equals to 3, it will be a 3 plus 1 4 and a3. Now we have to find a value of a4. a4 is equal to 4 minus 1 3 plus 4 minus 2 2. a3 plus a2 divided by a3. Now a3 is a3 we have find out a3 is equal to a1 plus a2. So it will be 2 and a2 has been given 1. Now a3 is 2. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 over 2. Let's first of all we will find out a4. Now if n is equal to 4, then A4 plus 1 means A5 by A4. Now we have to find out A5. A5 is equal to A5 equals to, I will find out here. A5 is equal to, like it has been given, an plus 1, an minus 1, A4 plus A3. So A4 is how much? Now A4 equals to A3 plus A2. A4 is equal to A3 plus A2. And we have got A3 2 plus 1 means it is 3. Therefore A5 equals to 3 plus 2. A5 is equal to 5. A5 is equal to 5 and A4 equals to 3. When n is equal to 5, when n equals to 5, then we have A6 divided by A5. We have a value of A5. Now we will find out A6. A6 will be A5 plus A4. And A5 is equal to 5 and A4 equals to 3. So it will be 8. Therefore, 8 over 5. So we have got the value of everyone. When n is equal to 1, we have got this value. When n is equal to 2, we have got this value. When n is equal to 3, we have got this value. And when n is equal to 4, we have got this value. And when n is equal to 5, we have got this value. So, okay boys, we will meet again for the exercise 9.2. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.